Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I wanted to show you the nearly finished renovation project from the Carolina Garden Retreat Center, which will hopefully be live on Airbnb in just a few weeks' time. So let me turn this camera around so that you can see all that we've accomplished in the last few weeks. So as we make our way in, you can see we got a new front door, just needs to be painted. Dining room is back to normal, all set up. We have had a meal here and it was delightful and comfortable. Still, my favorite thing that we did was cutting in this big hole to open the dining room and family room up. And we're not, 100% set on the furniture, but for now, it's great to have it furnished. And actually the accommodation that we have it fits quite a few people really comfortably. So the main thing is the kitchen is finally installed, and I'm actually getting ready to keynote the Texas Master Gardener Conference. So I'm so thrilled. The backsplash went in, just got finished yesterday, and he did such a great job. The goal was to be clean and classic and bright and airy. We have a really cool art piece that's gonna go on that wall. We debated about putting, shelves and stuff, but the back side of this wall, I'll walk in to the utility room, is where the electric box is. And we don't want to potentially compromise any of the wiring. So we have a really lightweight art piece to go there that is actually, it's gonna look super awesome when it's installed. We did get the microwave. It's really aggravating. The microwave cabinet doesn't actually fit any microwaves that are available. We found one that was the appropriate size on the internet. So I would highly recommend, if you are doing a kitchen renovation, that you really check those sorts of details, because we definitely learned that we couldn't depend on the team at Lowe's to actually do anything that was logical. I hate that that's the reality, but it is. Stove is hooked up. We do have to get the hood in. And one other thing that's really annoying, the wine rack was built where only the middle section is big enough to hold wine bottles. So the whole top row and bottom row are too small. Like, why build a wine rack that is only halfway functional? Really disappointing. Again, I would never renovate a kitchen using Lowe's. And I'm sure Home Depot isn't any better. And it took forever, so it wasn't like that big of a cost or time savings. I mean, think about it. It was 7.5 months to get the kitchen cabinets. But I'm relieved they're in. I'm really excited that we are closing on this finally a week from today. And let me show you the rest of the property. So we still have 3 cabinets to return, and there is the art piece that's gonna go on that wall. You can see it's really lightweight, so we don't have to have any like major anchors. And this is really neat interactive, like you bend it and I'm so excited to get this hung and like play around with it. Here's the microwave. It's ridiculously small, but that's the reality of a hole that size. I don't understand why you build a microwave cabinet that doesn't fit a standard microwave. So yeah, this room is still a bit of a work in progress. Of course, the bathrooms are as they have been for a while. And the bedrooms, these two, we've had several guests over the course of time, and everybody seems to be sleeping well. And the comments so far have been like, it's cool, it's quiet, it's calming, the beds are comfortable. So that was certainly the aim. My dad claims this is the only mattress he can sleep in. So I guess I did well on this mattress. We have some pictures still to hang in here. And yeah, we're close. We're so close. I still am really envious of this bathroom. I haven't showered here or anything, but I really want to, because I just think this shower is so awesome. Well, the aim is to have this live on Airbnb maybe by the end of the month. And I'm just really excited to start this venture. I think that hopefully people will enjoy staying here, and as we have a better understanding of how it all works, I'm really looking forward to offering experiences to be able to, you know, teach people some gardening skills, maybe some cooking classes, some cocktails. We did a sip and stroll garden tour last night, and it was really, really fun. So I'd love to be able to offer things like that would make someone's stay a little extra special, unique, memorable. I'm just really looking forward to having this sort of new business venture that is going to keep me occupied, and maybe I'll travel less. Well, if you're interested in staying here sometime, you can always reach out to me. My website is breegrows.com, and I will definitely share links once I get it live on Airbnb. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the renovated property, and I will see you all soon. Thanks for watching, everybody.